Patrick are close enough.
This is
Dear God.
this is what we're gonna do.
What?
And seriously, guys, you really need to pay attention to this, okay? Because this is very dangerous. The gas lines have methane in them. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the gas from the gas lines and then funnel it through the rubber coating, through my pipe, through my bubble mixture. Into my bubble mixture, I've added glycerin, and what the glycerin will do is it just makes the bubbles a little bit thicker. I can't add too much glycerin because if it's too thick, then it gets too heavy, and then my bubbles won't rise. The bubbles have to be lighter than air to rise. So then what you're going to do is you have to be very careful about this, okay? You are going to ignite the bubbles. A couple things. You can't lunge the candle out. And you have to wait until the bubble is completely released. So I'm going to fill the bubble, then I'm going to put them like right here, and then I'm going to try to release it from the pipe. You can't light the bubble until it's completely released from the pipe.
So I don't know if it's released.
Might
I will
actually
tell
cause
you.
it backwards.
I will tell you, and if there's any doubt in your mind, don't do it. Because if you ignite the bubble once it's attached to the pipe,
We're screwed. I'm getting close.
yeah, pretty much. All of us are.
And do I need to like...
Oh, dang.
No one's safe right now.
Give it to
Even you.
Hassan, are you sure about this?
I'm good with...
Of course the song will be better
Oh, that's worse.
This is so stereotypical.
If you'll excuse me, I'm going to get a safe
Mind your way. No.
Dude, they're still connected.
Methane's all connected.
I know.
We're all
Find new methane.
The
distance gives me an illusionary
Okay, because
safety.
I don't like it to do this when it's on fire.
Your afro will absorb all the heat.
But
So we'll try
person
one. Are you sure you're up for this?
Yeah, I'm up for this, but I don't know what's going on.
What?
The bubble is going to go up.
And then you light the bubble.
I like the bubble?
Yeah.
Yes.
Where's the panel? Somebody stand by that just in case.
Can you demonstrate real quick?
I'll do it.
Should we have somebody stand by on the
Should've worn
the special panel?
Yeah, I should have actually done flannel Friday, not flannel
Gabe, are
Thursday.
you comfortable?
I'm sure she would.
I can do it.
I got it.
Gabe, can you take your sweatshirt off?
No.
I'll do it.
Yeah.
I'm a boss.
So basically, if it lights that, all of this is
I want to see
blowing
what it
up,
is,
pretty
but I
much.
may do it, depending on what it is.
Hey, somebody sit right. Oh wait, I forgot to put the water.
Gabe, are
We able to pinch that too? Just cut it off? No.
I can
That
try.
was too fast.
Gabe.
It's released. Remember what you do.
This is sort
When
of scary.
it's all released, light the
Gabe,
bubble.
come a little closer to me, please.
Sprigo, which of those buttons turns on the gas off?
Wait until it all gets out. All gets out. Not right now.
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 Fail.
Ah, dude. Take your hand out of your pocket.
Quick, stick the hand up.
Because I can't put too much
The
gas
candle
in
flame's
the
gotten
room because
builder.
guess what?
Or die?
Now.
Whoa!
Feel the heat.
That was awesome.
Can I go
I
next?
just heads up where you're jamming. Okay? Because remember I'm on the other side of this.
Outside.
Okay, you want to try again?
I could feel that heat from here.
He's videotaping.
What we're doing is we're doing combustion. I want you to listen. You can hear the combustion. You can feel the heat. Ready?
No. No. Not right now. Not right now.
I'm the son. What are you talking about? Whoa.
Oh.
Don't ignite the light bulbs. That might not be
You
safe.
want to try?
Yeah, I got this.
Oh, it's on turn.
Still have pants on.
Okay, I can only do like a couple more because can you guys smell
Can
the gas?
I call next?
Well, let's wait a minute.
Light it.
Get it.
Light it.
Stop recording and then.
Maybe a song we all died, but
Okay,
we're
this
also
is the
in
last one,
reality.
so you have to. Okay.
Yeah, right.
Make it the biggest. Screw, I want it to be huge.
Dear God, you're gonna kill us all, Patrick.
No! Are you retarded?
Just
Wow.
forget that part.
No!
You should have been. You guys know how to do this.
I know how to do it. I was in Boy Scouts. Get him back!